Hey everyone, what's up? I got something special for you today. It's not going to be about FPV, it's not going to be about RC. Let's open this thing up. So right off the bat, separating everything is an owner's manual. They recommend before you go any further, you stop and you read this. Become familiar with it, how to operate it, how to charge it, how to do everything. I recommend you follow what they say. However, I want to see it now. So let's get this thing here. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's go with this first. We've got a stack of business cards. Over here, we have the charger, the Onewheel itself. Let's get this box out of the way. All right, guys, so initial impressions. Let me go ahead and take this off. I do have to say, not having previously owned a Onewheel, and this being my first one, I'm so excited to get this thing charged. Get a helmet on, some wrist guards, get out there and try it. But initial reaction response to this is, it is built like a tank. It is solid. I mean, you pick it up and you instantly realize that it's in a league of its own. It's not like one of these plastic, creaky hoverboard, you know, things that your feet go in alternating directions to make you turn. You can get it wet, you can on-road, off-road. There's all kinds of accessories, like the fender from Onewheel. There's fenders from Rambo and some of these other companies. The guys who do flight fins are actually releasing their little flight fenders, which come up just a little bit like this, allow you to adjust the flight fins. So I'll link to them down below. They look badass. And the flight fins, definitely grabbing a pair of those. I'm actually glad I didn't already order them, because they're saying that if you jump on it on the 27th when they release the fenders, that you can also pick up a pair of flight fins and get the package deal for a little bit cheaper than it would cost you to get them both. One of the things that I really wanted to get right away for this was the float plates, but they don't have them available just yet. I've been told that they're gonna be, you know, available soon. So I will be watching for that. So there you have it, the Onewheel Plus XR. Let's get this thing charged so we can take it outside and show you guys what it can do.
All right, guys. So I have to say, I am sold, if I wasn't already, which I was obviously before I got this thing, but it is awesome. It's so great. I get it now. I just got to get, you know, a little more used to it, and then I can hit the trails. I love this. You see up here, we got this whole place to ourselves. Give it to them. Girl child. Alright guys, Onewheel XR thumbs up. It's a badass product, super fun. Can't wait to get a little better on it so I can hit the trails. Let me know if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you next time.